subscribe our channel and click bell icon for notification.
Hello friends, we do different kinds of air shows, air modeling workshops, seminars for schools and college people. Not only that, we also do different kinds of branding activities for the brand products, and we have a different models and the powerful team. So this video for you to understand what exactly different kinds of models we have, and also what is our flying skills. So these are just a basic thing which we can able to show to you. So the models, the technologies, what we have using different kinds of quads, different kinds of helicopters, airplanes, much more. So this video you can able to identify our skills and also the skill set of the each and every person. At the same time, there are multiple models will be flying in this video. Please watch the full video so you'll be getting some ideas. Please utilize us. We have provided our WhatsApp number. You can reach us if you want us to drop an email. The email ID has been provided in the description of this video. Utilize it. Kindly contact us anytime, and we are the team who can make the difference in the technologies. So these are the flyings we have. Different kinds of maneuvers. And the soft landing according to the ground. Please share this video to your friends, circle, college students, school students, or who have interest in aeromodeling and air shows. Make them to utilize our skill and talent.